I'm Joel Tilsner. I'm president and owner of Tilsner Carton Company and Meridian Display, and I'm a third generation owner. My grandfather started it in 1918 with a horse and a wagon, going to liquor stores, picking up boxes that liquor bottles came in, taking those empty set-up boxes to grocery stores and reselling them to grocery stores. My grandfather raised his family in a house in the area of what is now I-94 and Marion Avenue. Afterwards, it moved down to the west side of St. Paul. And in the early 70s, my uncle bought a building downtown St. Paul. And in the mid-80s, we sold that building and moved to our present location. So it's always been a St. Paul company.